I'm very glad to see this Miami temple, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Nityananda has come here. It is great fortune for you. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared for delivering all kinds of fallen souls in this age. Sri Narottam Das Thakur sings, Papi tapi jato chila hari name uddharila, har sakhi jagayar madhai. So, Brajanda Nandana Jai, Sachi Suta Haila Sei, Balaram Haila Nitai. The same Krishna and same Balaram. Krishna has appeared as the son of Mother Sachi, and Balaram has appeared as Nityananda. And their business is to deliver all fallen souls, especially in this age, Kali Yuga. So, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mission was that he should be present by his name, by his form, by his pastime in every town and village of the world, and you are fulfilling his mission. So undoubtedly you will be blessed and you will get Krishna's mercy through the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. To understand Krishna is not so easy thing. Manusyanam sahasreshu kaschit jatati siddhai jatatam siddhanam kaschit vetti mam. Out of many thousands, millions people, one is anxious to make his life successful. Nobody is interested. Practically they do not know what is actually success of life. The modern civilization, everyone is thinking, if I get a good wife and nice motor car and a nice apartment, that is success. That is not success. That is temporary. Real success is to get out of the clutches of Maya, means this material conditional life which comprehend birth, death, old age and disease. We are passing through many varieties of life, and this human form of life is a good chance to get out of this chain of changing body one after another. The soul is eternal and blissful because part and parcel of Krishna, God, Satchidananda, eternal, full of bliss, full of knowledge. Unfortunately, in this material conditional life, we are changing different bodies, but we are not getting situated again in that spiritual platform where there is no birth, no death. There is no science. The other day one psychiatrist came to see me. And where is your education for understanding the soul, its constitutional position? So practically the whole world is in darkness. They are interested with 50, 60 or 100 years of this span of life. But they do not know that we are eternal, blissful and full of knowledge, and due to this material body, you are subjected to birth, death, old age and disease, and this is going on continuously. So Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, out of his great compassion for the fallen souls, he appeared. Krishna comes also. But Krishna is not so liberal. Krishna makes condition. First of all you surrender, then I take charge of. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is more compassionate than Krishna. Although Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the same thing. So, by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, we are so easily understanding Krishna. So that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is present here. You worship him, it is not very difficult. Jaggai sankirtanai prai jajanti sumeda. Krishna varnang tisha krishnam sangapanga parsanam jaggai sankirtanam. You simply chant Hare Krishna mantra and whatever you can offer Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is very kind. He does not take offense. Radha Krishna worship is little difficult. We have to worship him with great awe and veneration. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has voluntarily come to deliver the fallen souls. Little service, he will satisfy. He will satisfy. But do not neglect, because he is very kind and compassionate. That does not mean we should forget his position. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So we should offer him the very great respect and as far as possible. But the advantage is that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu does not take any offense. And to worship him, to please him, is very easy. Jaggai sankirtanai prai jajanti sumeda. Simply you chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and dance. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will be very pleased. He introduced this dancing and chanting, and this is the easiest process for God realization. So, as far as possible, if possible 24 hours, okay, that is not possible, at least 4 times, 6 times, chant Hare Krishna mantra before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and you will get success in your life. This is a fact. So I am very glad that you are worshipping Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu. So continue to do this. There is no need of installing Radha Krishna, at least at the present moment. When you become more advanced in spiritual consciousness, you can establish. But even if you do not establish, it doesn't matter. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is sufficient. Sri Krishna Chaitanya, Radha Krishna nahe anna. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is combination of Radha Krishna. In one place you worship Radha and Krishna. So, I see this place is very nice, and you are also very nice, and take advantage of this opportunity and go on chanting Hare Krishna mantra and worship Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He will bless you sufficiently to become successful in getting shelter of the lotus feet of Radha and Krishna. Thank you very much.